Today we have to discuss about the topic is candidiasis in mycotic infection. Candidiasis, it is one of the most common fungal infection, mainly as secondary infection due to immunosuppression. Primary forms are rare. It is a opportunistic infection, mainly caused by Candida albicans. The predisposing factors are tuberculosis, diabetes mellitus, anemia, AIDS, nutritional deficiency, prolonged use of antibiotics, corticosteroid, and cytotoxic drugs. This radiation therapy leads to xerostomia. The xerostomia causes candidiasis. Infancy and pregnancy and poorly maintained denture and smoking cause candidiasis. Pseudomembranous candidiasis. The pseudomembranous candidiasis is nothing but it is also known as thrush. It is the most common form. It is more prone to immunosuppression, that is HIV and leukemia. Those who are receiving systemic corticosteroids are more prone to pseudomembranous candidiasis. Frequently occurring on buccal mucosa tank, also seen on palate, gingiva, floor of the mouth. It resembling milk curd, mass of fungal hyphae, desquamated epithelium, keratin, necrotic debris, leukocyte, bacteria are seen in the resembling like milk curd, which means seen in the debris. This is pseudomembranous area. The white plaque usually wiped with the cotton gauze. The leukoplakia not wiped, and mild burning sensation will be feel. In erythematous type, do not show white flecks or white component. It is more common than pseudomembranous. It is erythematous. In acute atrophic erythematous, it is also known as antibiotic sore mouth, follows a course of broad spectrum antibiotic therapy. It is diffuse loss of filiform papillae that leads to red and bald appearance of tongue and burning sensation will be seen. It is painful. In erythroplakia, there will be a sharp border, but in antibiotic sore mouth have diffuse border. In central papillary atrophy or median rhomboid glossitis, it is asymptomatic, symmetric erythematous and loss of filiform papillae. There is a strong relationship between this lesion and chronic smoking and Candida albicans. The soft palate also involved result of contact called as kissing lesion. In chronic hyperplastic candidiasis, it is also called as candidal leukoplakia. It is a oral candidiasis, that is a white patch cannot be removed. It is a pre-malignant potential lip, tongue, cheek or look like leukoplakia. The superimposed on pre-existing leukoplakia are candidal organism inducing hyperkeratosis or leukoplakia associated with candidal infection, that is homogeneous or speckled, or iron or folate deficiency. This leads to candidal leukoplakia or chronic hyperplastic candidiasis. The diagnosis is confirmed by presence of candidal hyphae and resolution of the lesion after antifungal therapy. In Candida associated lesion, in angular cheilitis, the angle of the mouth is the most common site, sometimes seen as component of multifocal candidiasis. It is erythematous fissuring and scaling, which means erythematous fissuring and scaling will be seen. There is a reduced vertical dimension of occlusion. There is a reduced vertical dimension of occlusion, the accentuated folds of corner. Due to reduced the vertical dimension of occlusion result, accentuated folds of corner will be seen. There is a saliva tend to fold in this area. So in this accentuated fold, the saliva tend to fold in this area, result moist. The moist favors yeast infection. It is also caused by thumb sucking and lip sucking. Denture stomatitis, also known as denture sore mouth or chronic atrophic candidiasis. Diffuse erythematous and edema of denture bearing area with angular cheilitis. This denture related candidiasis is most common. It is due to poorly maintained denture, improper design, allergy to denture base, inadequate curing of cycle. In histology, fragment of plaque material smeared from the KOH wet mound we demonstrate typical hyphae. The fragment of plaque materials smeared onto KOH wet mound we see typical hyphae. In histology section, presence of hyphae and the yeast cell in superficial and deep layers of epithelium. This is the deep layers of epithelium. This is the superficial layer of epithelium. And the chlamydium spores also seldomly seen. The treatment is antifungal agents such as nystatin should be suggested. Thank you.